Where2Fish explores land-based fishing locations that are easy to access and fish. The aim is to produce information that will encourage people to participate in fishing and other outdoor activities. This may increase group involvement, communication and well-being. Bannockburn is located approximately 26 kilometres from Geelong. It is a fast-growing town with plans to expand in retail, education and housing. Bannockburn Lagoon is situated on the shelf of Bannockburn Road heading towards Teesdale. It is the first left just after Harvey's Road. The lagoon is part of the family fishing lakes and is regularly stocked with trout just before the second and third term of the school holidays. The lagoon has a picnic table and rubbish bin. The closest toilets are at the corner of McPhillips Road, opposite the service station. Bannockburn was part of the gold era. Some of the history is still present, with some buildings heritage listed. Things to do: nature walk, there's various parks with barbecues, there's a golf course, a bowling club, monthly market, various wineries throughout the whole district, cafes, the Railway Hotel pub, an annual artist trail, and this is all within 30 minutes from Geelong. Majority of the fishing is from the small jetty and the bank to the left. Majority of the fish caught are from the stocking program, with the occasional resident redfin caught. For more information, see the website Where2Fish.com. Until the next video, get hooked, discover, enjoy and preserve.